Hello, everybody. It is Friday. Woo, here we go. Just reviewing basically what we talked about this week. So, our I can statement of the day is I can explain how magnets interact with all things made of iron and other magnets to produce motion without touching them. So, magnetism, a force that can attract, which means to pull closer, or repel, which means to push away objects that have a magnetic material like iron inside of them. Magnets are items that have magnetism. Magnetism is the force that can attract or repel objects. Attract means to pull closer, repel means to push away. Magnets have poles, north and south pole. Magnetism is strongest at these poles. We see that in this picture by all the iron shavings it collects. Forces of motion, repel and push. When an object moves away from one another, that is repel. When I say repel, I want you to say move away. Repel. Repel. Attract or pull is when an object is moved towards another object. So when I say attract, I want you to say move towards. Attract. Attract. Good. So how magnets interact with each other. We know same poles, their force field lines diverge, so they cannot connect. They cannot come together. On the other hand, when we have north and south poles, those force field lines fit together like two peas in a pod, and they can attract together. They can come together. Again, force field line, they are the lines of magnetism coming off of magnets that we do not see, but that we know is there. Magnets attract items that are made from iron. Iron, a strong, hard, magnetic, silvery gray metal. What is an electrical charge? When an item that is not a magnet starts to interact with an item like another magnet would. This happens because the first magnet gets close to that object. The object must be made from iron. What happens when an item is electrically charged? An item will interact with a magnet like the way another magnet would. So the item will attract or repel from the magnet. Yesterday, our example was paper clips and a magnet. So as the magnet got closer to the paper clips, it electrically charged it. So the paper clips started to act like another magnet would, in this case, attracting to the magnet and attaching to it. That's all I want to cover today. Some things I need you to do. I need you to practice the quizzes if you have time. What you have to do this week is the 3 for 3. Remember, you can still get dojo points for that. So please go on Canvas, do the 3 for 3. The link for the quizzes, because we all love quizzes. It's a fun time. I need you to do the quizzes. The code and the website you should go to is linked onto this week's module. So please check that out. If you have any questions, please message me on Dojo. We will be continuing magnets probably next week. Have a great day.